idea, Rick. You show us your concept of good TV, and we'll crap all over
I
that.
thought you'd never ask.
Hey!
Let's watch some Toby's Data Digest so I can teach some more Python. Rick and Morty Python forever! Yeah, baby. Okay, first let's load up PyCharm and get this environment ready. Just a couple clicks and bam. Just like that, Morty. Science. Coding. Whatever. They loved our last one, Morty. Loved it. Time to teach some projects. First, we'll build a calculator and then a dice roller. First, we need to set up some functions. Remember last time we said these are blocks of reusable code? Well, here we'll set up functions called multiply, subtract, and so on. These functions take into parameters and perform an operation. Oh no, this isn't good. You cannot divide by 0. See what this code is trying to tell you. We're defining a function to divide called, well, divide. This takes an A and B. And if B is not equal to 0, it divides them. You see, Morty, it's all coming together. Real good. Hey, pay attention now. Now! Once we have all these functions set up, it's gonna be beautiful, Morty. Beautiful. Then we'll greet the user and take a few inputs from them. Let's store the input under choice. This will be the big dog, the big daddy. If choice is 1, then they want to add. 2, subtract. You see? And if they want to quit, they type quit. That's their loss, though. Then we ask them to input their 2 numbers and store these variables. And it's as simple as calling the functions from earlier with these numbers. Look at that, Morty. Morty, it's beautiful. She's a real beauty.
Holy cow, Rick! I didn't know hanging out with you was making me smarter.
Full disclosure, Morty, it's not. Temporary superintelligence is just a side effect of the mega seeds dissolving in your rectal cavity.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
First, we'll import the library of random. So we can call a random number from 1 to 6. Yeah, 1 to 6, Morty. Just like it dies. Don't gamble at home, though. Or who am I kidding? And consent is key, Morty. So we'll ask if they want to play. Convert their response to lower with the .lower method. And then if it's yes, then it's go time. We store the 2 random number generations under to separate variables and print them in an F string and show the result of both with the addition operator.
I know that new situations can be intimidating. You're looking around and it's all scary and different, but meeting them head on, charging right into them like a bull. That's how we grow as people.
Now subscribe to Toby's Data Digest and like this stupid video. Now, next time we'll teach Morty data science. Or not. I don't care. All right, Jerry, when you're right, you're right. Now I'm hooked.